This is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I'm having to do this on my big computer because that's where I had to put all the information in, and I didn't want to try to transfer it and lose something. I did have to, I pulled over, I think, 10,000 line items from all of the comments and replies and everything that was in each video. I pull from all videos, even the one that I made the mistake on, I did pull from that one. So all your comments are in here. Well, not comments. I have separated out the comments. Your name is in here. And if you commented multiple times, then you have your name in here multiple times. We have close to 1,600 names in here. Now, it could be your name 5 times. I don't know. I just know that there are multiples in here. And I'll scroll through a few of them just to let you see. Go kind of slow so you might catch your name there. But this did take me a few minutes. I had to write some formulas that I haven't written formulas in a long time. And I had to write some formulas to make sure that we got, separated out the names from the comments and replies. And then I had to sort out and make sure there was no scammers in here and things like that. Make sure everybody was legitimate. And so I had to do a little bit of finagling, but it refreshed my brain on some things that I hadn't done in a long time. But as you can see, they're all in here. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit randomize. You can see it right here at the bottom. And it may take just a little while, so let's do it. Are y'all ready? Da, 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 drum roll. All right, here we go. Okay, there they are. Let's see how many it says. All right, it says 1,559. That's exactly what I had come up with before. All right, so let's go back. 1,559. I'm going to write that number down because I haven't used this in a long time, so I'm having to familiarize myself with it. They have changed since I was on here again, or since I was on here the last time. So let's go back. Let's go home. Here we go, right here. I knew it was on here somewhere. 1,559. Now let's generate, and this will choose us a winner. So generate. 175 is the winner. So let's go see if we can get back over to where we was without losing anything. Just going to do it again. So, okay, 175. 175 right here. Sunday Lighten, SUNDEELIGHTIN, Sunday Lighten. That one right there, that's 175. Okay, you have 48 hours from the time this video goes up, not from when you see it, but from the time the video goes up. And I am posting this at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. So you have 48 hours from then to contact me through the email link that will be below in the video description to claim your prize. If you don't contact me within 48 hours, then we will choose another winner. Okay, so Sunday Lighten, if you will contact me, then I will get your $100+ box of goodies together, and you'll need to send me your address, your mailing address, and all that, and I'll get it all out to you. Guys, I thank you so much for participating in this 12 Days of Christmas. We pulled it together really fast, but the team and the design team, everybody has been so great with this. They have worked hard, tirelessly, and we've worked through issues that we had on different things. This was the first time that we ever decided to pull it together, and I just decided to have one or to try to have one when I was up in the mountains with the kids. I was sitting thinking, and I thought, why don't we do it 12 days of Christmas? And Melina was like, Mother, it's too late. I said, I don't think so. Let's see if we can pull it together. So anyway, I got back and I got with the design team, and they said, yeah, we'll be happy to help. So they are absolutely wonderful. And I know by reading a lot of your comments that you have enjoyed their videos as much as I have. And I have learned a ton from them. And I wanted to tell our design team too that don't sell yourself short. I know that some of you are just now starting out in YouTube, and it is a scary thing. I can remember back before dirt. I can remember back a long time ago when I first started out, it was so scary. I was just scared to death. I didn't know, and why was I scared? I don't know, but I was scared. You almost think that there's somebody in the room with you that's going to say, you're doing that wrong, but it's not. You're by yourself. You're just talking to a camera. And anything that you do can always be edited out or redone or whatever. I have to edit all the time. I never put up a video without editing because I make many, many mistakes. But I wanted to tell you that do not sell yourself short, because a lot of you had more comments on your videos than I did. So, that right there tells you something. You're doing something right. So never, ever, ever give up or say, that you're not as good as so and so, or you don't have as many subscribers as somebody else does. Don't ever say that. You are starting out just exactly like all of us have. And every one of those, even those that have millions of subscribers, they started out exactly like you did. So don't sell yourself short, and don't think that you are not good enough, because you are. You are good enough. All right, I am going to close that on this so I can get it ready and get it up by 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then Sunday Lighten, we will watch our emails to have your response. And like I said, if she doesn't respond in 40, he, it doesn't respond in 48 hours, then I will come back to this and we will draw for another winner. All right, guys, thank you so much for participating, and make sure that you stick around for the new year, because the design team and I have already been talking about a lot of things that we're planning and things we're excited about for the new year. So you need to hang on, because we are planning some good things. All right, we will talk to you later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.